For week 9, assignment 1, you will be creating a digital output for your portfolio, basically a PDF, and this can be either the slideshow module, print module, or book module in Lightroom. So in Library, I've determined what my portfolio images are in the proper order. They're in a collection. So I could choose to use slideshow module. I used a slideshow template I have saved out from previously. Okay, it's the captioned with black background with an identity plate. All I did here was turn off the captions because I didn't find them necessarily relevant for this particular presentation. And to do so, I just turned off text overlays. Okay, so I can play through the slideshow, ensure that everything looks as it should. There's a little stroke border there. And when I would be ready, I would simply export PDF. Would prefer a PDF, not a video for this. And it would be all set. If you choose a contact sheet in the print module, please choose a 1 image per page format. I went ahead and chose the Fine Art Matte format, added a stroke border, and added an identity plate. The identity plate right here, just my name, had initially been up higher, but I noticed that with the portrait-oriented images that it was showing over the image. So if I simply take it down a bit, that should put it in the correct place on all of the images. Right? So just scroll through the presentation, make sure you're happy with it, and you could go ahead and print, printer, PDF, save as PDF. If you do not have Acrobat on the computer, simply print file as JPEGs, and you could go ahead and put them all in a single zip folder. Your third option is a book. I just went ahead and cleared layout. The previous week 8 book layout was there and chose auto layout with the same setting I used there, 1 photo left and right. And when I was ready, simply export book to PDF. I don't need any captions or titles on any of these. If you like, you're welcome to add those. Okay, so again, 3 options. You only need to choose one, and I look forward to seeing your layouts.